Hi teacher, good evening. My name is Luis Enrique Jimenez Morales, and I am going to tell you about my travel while on vacation from work. I traveled with my girlfriend, friends, to different parts of the country. I hope you like my story. No? Our fixed day was to La Merced, located in the central jungle. We arrived early in the morning, soaking in the warm, humid air and the sound of the jungle. My first stop was the Bayos waterfall, an impressive waterfall. Surrounded by lush vegetation, I refreshed myself in its crystal clear waters and head to the Shaninka Communal Reserve, where I met a native community and learned about trade tradition and colorful clothing for lunch. I, I enjoy a delicious Juane con cecina and a refresh aguaje and and, and today we strolled through La Merced Main Park and got some delicious ice cream. My second day also included a trip to Lima on the historic center where I visit the Plaza Mayor and the majestic cathedral. Then I went to León Dormido Beach, which is like traveling to Ica. At night, I went to a restaurant in Miraflores and tried an authentic ceviche with pisco sour. In the afternoon, I ate a Bohemian Barranco and joined its street art and Creole Creole music. In the evening, I visited the Magic Water Circuit, fascinated by its light display and dancing fountain. For the third day of one of my trip, I flew to Trujillo and headed straight to Tanchang, the largest mud city in the Americas. There I explored the Huascas del Sol and La Luna, where it admired the ancient motion mural. I had lunch with Shambar, cabrito a la norteña, and delicious ceviche norteño in the city center before heading to Huacho Beach. Watching the traditional totora reach boat, at dusk I visit the main square where a Marinera Norteña show was taking place, enjoying the elegance of the auntie's iconic dance. For the first and final day of my travel, I traveled to the district of the Chambara in the provincia de Concepción, Junín. My first stop was to visit my grandmother, who lived near Chambara Main Square. Then at the Cunas and Gasmayo First Farm, I observed Ford farming and tested and exhibited for this. late in head to Ichir-Chapani, where I followed the traditional of a strong wind that left and they attract good luck. According to the local, to close out my trip, I witnessed the Aukish dance with its inspirational costumes and wooden masks and unforgettable cultural experience my family participates in every year. I the dance of teens tours alone my to immerse myself in a different part of Peru, from por- from the rainforest to the historic Coach and the mystical Andes. It's a Wolf definitively repeated. The concluded my travel, I could say that traveling alone of the connect with multicultural flowers uh, and histories, each distinct as its own unique essence, from the nature of the Merced to the history riches of Trujillo, and my favorite place, Chambará, discovering the expense breaking away from the routine tours every trip into unforgettable adventure. Thank you.